How to add fonts to Figma. I'm going to tell you how to add fonts to Figma, whether you're using the desktop app or the browser version. If you're using the Figma desktop app, it's super simple. Just download and install the font on your computer, like you normally would, whether it's TTF or OTF format. Once installed, refresh Figma, and it should show up right away in your font list. That's it. No extra steps needed. But if you're using Figma in your browser, you'll need to take one extra step. Download the Figma font installer. You can find this on Figma's official website. Once installed, install it like any other software. Restart your browser. Now go back to your Figma file, select a text layer, and click the font name in the sidebar to open the font picker. From here, just scroll or search for your newly installed font and it should be ready to use.